Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can shuffle the elements of an array. This would work perfect for a card game. Let's say we have an array of cards. Let cards equal. These will be string representations of cards. We have an ace, a2. I'm not worried about the suit, but you can feel free to add a suit if you would like. I'm just going to fill in this array. Then we have a jack, a queen, and a king. So this is our array of cards. To shuffle this array, I can create a function to do that for me. Function shuffle. And there will be one parameter, an array. When we invoke this function, we need to pass an array as an argument. Shuffle our array cards. Now to shuffle this, we'll begin at the end. I need this array's length. And I will store that within a variable that we will name current index and set this equal to the array's length. We will begin at the end. And we'll need a while loop. Our condition is while current index does not equal 0. Now we'll need a random number between the beginning of this array up to the length of the array. Let's declare random index, set this equal to math.random times the array's length property. Then surround this with math.floor. Math.floor. Decrement our current index by 1. Current index minus equals 1. So I'm going to maximize this. We will begin at the end. We will swap this element with another one. During the next iteration, the previous element will be the current index. We will swap this element with another one, chosen randomly. We'll continue this process until we reach the end of our array, then stop. Then it's a matter of swapping two elements, but we'll need some temporary storage. Let temp equal array at our current index. Array at our current index equals array at our random index. Array at our random index equals temp. At the end of this function, you can return the array if you would like to reassign it. I'm going to display all of the cards, the array itself. Console.log cards. So here's our array. Every time I run this program, these elements are being shuffled. If you would like the top element, that would have an index of 0. The top card in my deck currently is an 8. Now it's a king. One trick, if you would like to deal all the cards, is that you can use the for each method of arrays. Cards.forEach method, we can pass in a callback, a function expression, or an arrow function expression. I'll use an arrow function expression. We have one argument. Let's name this card arrow. I would like to display that card. Console.log card. This will deal all of the cards in my deck. And every time I run it, it's shuffled. So yeah, everybody, that's one way in which we can shuffle the elements of an array. If you would like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. And well, yeah, that's how to shuffle the elements of an array in JavaScript.